Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware readiness. Inspect the source and both monitors for HDMI or adapter ports, and ensure your GPU or laptop supports multiple outputs. Once done, gather 2 HDMI cables, any necessary adapters, and power cords, and label the cables to keep connections clear. Make sure adapters are active when converting signal types, because passive adapters won't work for certain conversions. Now power off the devices if recommended by the manufacturer. Then position the monitor. With everything in place, connect HDMI cables from each available output on your source to the respective monitor inputs, using adapters or a dock if necessary. Make sure each connector is fully seated. Power on the monitors first, then the source device, because many systems detect displays at boot. Once your system boots, open Display Settings and let the source detect both screens. Choose Extend or Duplicate depending on your goal. Then drag the virtual screens to match physical layout and select the primary display. Finish by fine-tuning resolution, refresh rate, and scaling for each screen so text and UI look correct. Make sure you use each monitor's native resolution for the best image. Test audio routing if you expect sound from a monitor, and try moving windows between screens to confirm smooth operation. If you run into problems, swap cables and ports, test one monitor alone, and update GPU drivers or monitor firmware. Remember, if using a converter, an active adapter is often required. Try that before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.